Hello, I'm your college cook, and today we're going to be making some chicken Alfredo. This is meal 2 of using chicken from a previous video where I cut an entire chicken to show multiple meals that can be made with these parts. Now, I've chosen chicken Alfredo because Alfredo is one of those meals that doesn't take too many ingredients, and honestly you can just buy the canned version of the sauce if you want to. But I'd like to make it a little homemade. I feel like it gives it a little bit more, little oomph. Our first step is going to get our pork pot and fill it with some water for our pasta. Be sure to add water to the pasta water while cooking it. Although fettuccine is the pasta for Alfredo, this thick pasta I have here was much cheaper when I went to the store, so we'll be using this one. I hate these type of packages though. I'm sure we'll be fine. Let me just open it. Are you serious? Doesn't matter. Still gotta cook. Boxed pasta takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so we have time to make the sauce. All we're gonna do is mince some garlic and some onion. It shouldn't be too hard. You know, about my first video of me saying I don't think single-use items are worth it, I don't know. I don't know if it's the pasta box that got me, but I'm starting to think that the garlic masher sounds really good right now. Okay, finally. Okay, now that that's fully minced, time to get the onion. Oh my god, it's the butter, not the onion. I feel like we've all had that moment in a Mexican household, and I just did it to myself. Everything's fine, just chop and mince. It'll all be okay. Honestly, doing this is a really good stress reliever. Just as a warning, you did see me cut off the tail of the onion earlier. My eyes did start to burn, but I'm used to that. I highly recommend you don't do that. Instead, cut around it. Oh man, this pasta box incident made me forget about placing my pan sooner. But now I'm just stuck waiting. Heat up a pan to medium heat and start making your sauce. Dance the pain away. Add a small bit of oil, and once hot, add in your minced garlic and onion, and begin to stir around. I was told adding salt prevents it from burning. Stir for about 6 minutes, or until the color changes. Following that, we need some heavy cream. Parmesan cheese is the one that's typically used. Be sure to add more than what you think you'll be using, since a lot of this will be evaporated when cooking. Stir carefully to avoid spillage like so. I hold mine like a pencil, but you can try it and see what way works for you. But also add some salt and pepper. Making the sauce should take about 5 minutes or so. You should start seeing it thicken due to mixing it so much. If not, add some more cheese. A secret ingredient you can add if your sauce isn't as thick as you'd like, to add some all-purpose flour. I'll only put a little, mine's pretty thick already. Once the sauce is done, the pasta should also be done. Now, some people say you get a strainer and leave a cup of pasta water to the side, but that seems like a lot of work. I'm just gonna do this. Add the pasta and the pasta water without using 2 extra dishes. I added half the chicken first and the other half after the pasta. This helps more evenly distribute the chicken. After a minute or so of mixing the pasta, you're done. The pasta isn't as white as in restaurants. That's okay. I believe the white comes from the type of cheese they have. I don't want to spend a lot of money on the new cheeses. Place it down and add some dried thyme on top of it for some pretty points. There you have it. I can't wait to have... This is where my camera died. Honestly, I figured this would happen. Ever since the pasta box, I just knew. It's okay. I still ate some of those delicious. Thank you guys for watching through all of that. I hope this helped you out even just a little bit with Alfredo. See you guys next time. Bye bye.